doing round trip. Yes, these are the glass elevators, the Otis glass elevators. It's outside the PPG Science Pavilion at the Carnegie Science Center in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are Otis Gen2s, which, by the way, are very, very busy. So, here we go. Like I said, these are very busy. And move over here. Oh, nobody's on it. Let's go to G. Yes, I will go view 3, but we're not getting off.
We can go take a look.
Here we go.
Realize if you go down to the ground level, you may get a lot of people on.
I know. They just do that. Let's go to 3. Good, no one's getting on. After we get off at 2, we'll switch cars. Here we go. Stop at 1.
Yep.
Going up?
Yes.
Which floor? 2? 2?
3.
Oh, same as me. Oops. Going up?
No, we're going down. Thank you.
Let's notice Gen2 from 2017. Here we go. Not much of a view up here.
Not through the concrete, no.
There you go.
We'll go back.
Let's go back down to 2, and then we'll switch cars.
And then
Switch cars.
And then
After that, we'll
Get off the elevator.
and we'll switch cars.
No! How about we go back down to 1?
We're 2.
And we can jump off 2 and see if we can switch up.
Now switch to the other one. Set this one up. That's a Broadhurst overlook. Now we'll see if we get the other one now. Let's get a look over here. There's a nice view of, what river is that? Yalgini? What river is that? I believe it's the Yalgi River. Let's look over here is the Yalgi River. There's uptown.
That's the Allegheny River, and there's a submarine out there.
And this one's broken. Look, this one's broken.
Turned off.
Look, this one must be turned off. We got this one again. Let's go back down to 1.
We're going to get off.
Just your basic stainless steel cab. I was not expecting that. You do get a nice view. Series 7 Vandal resistant, hands-free 88 code on my phone.